How about that? How about that? Yup.
Swank the remix god!
How about that? How about that? How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that?
That's more than CI? Wow. Back up. Back up. Can't handle.
Wrenching on the bikes, New Year's Eve. With the 100% stunt crew.
100%.
Oh, the official introduction kind of here, Corey, you know. And I zoom in on that smile.
We got DJ Corey in the house.
DJ C-Peg. Here.
And then, you know, this guy. All about that Honda life.
We got Librant over here. This DSLR high mount tripod.
What temperature you working on, bud?
Probably minus 20 outside. Wind chill rating like minus 35.
It's minus 30 before the wind chill right now.
So we're probably looking at minus 41 to 42.
So in here it's probably minus 20.
So we're gonna install this bad boy. Compared to the length of this one, she's pretty long. So we're gonna need to do something about that. Okay, so Corey, since the wire's wrapped around the intake manifold.
So this totally wasn't just by accident?
No.
Like, not at all. It's not like this was too long. They did this on purpose so that you could wrap your conductive
Material.
spark plug wire, or material, whatever you want to call it, around the intake manifold, positively charging
Your fuel and air
fuel
ratio.
molecules as they enter the cylinder, creating at least a 7 to 12 horsepower gain.
She's cold.
Your fire under?
Yeah.
First kick?
First kick. Let's see. So we got Moose Racing Pro foot pegs. They're a nice silver color. Way bigger than the fucking original ones. Like, big difference. Look at that. You just look at it.
Double, like triple.
Triple the width and longer.
Triple the contact.
Oh, first wipeout. This is a little bit different design, actually.
What did I tell you? About stock springs and aftermarket pegs and...
Oh,
You told me it was gonna be like, no big deal, and it'll work. It's like $14. No, it's not. Dun dun dun. When reality sets in.
So we got the new coil installed. We installed new foot pegs. Way better than normal. But the setup that Moose Racing sent to me does not match the OEM springs. Unfortunately, they listed that they would fit with OEM springs. So that's kind of shitty. Now I need to find someone else who will sell me a spring for these. But that's okay. We're gonna go for a rip if it gets warm enough tomorrow regardless. So I don't know why I didn't do this when it came off of the showroom floor, but I've kept this chain guard on the whole time.
Because you're a pussy.
So tonight, that's coming off. It's gonna look real stunt. Okay, tear this thing out. Fucking throw it away. So foot pegs are installed, coils installed, plastics are back on. We're gonna change the oil now. Got it ready for tomorrow. So here's the oil draining. All right, Motul 7100. Check that shit.
Ester oil, full synthetic.
Love how it opens.
Fantastic motor
What
oil.
color is that shit?
Red.
Rad red. And?
Has a actually nice smell to it.
Here,
We can get a whiff.
show off that MA2 rating on the back there. Just bring that bottle closer.
MA2.
It smells kind of fruity.
There you go.
These things have no filters. There's an oil screen in there, but you need to take your right crankcase cover off. It's a pain in the ass. And you know what? It's Honda. It's probably not going to be plugged up anyways.
Hashtag no filter.
We're up on the dipstick now,
Yeah,
boys.
We're a little high, but that's
We're a little
okay.
high.
You're gonna burn it off.
It'll burn.
anyways.
It'll burn.
Yeah, she'll burn.
It's meant to burn oil.
Well, here we are on New Year's Day. We're gonna go out for a ride. Best part about owning a Honda 50, it'll fit in the back seat of your four-door import. Lincoln tech tip of the day. When you're loading your CRF 50 into the back seat, use a tarp. Put some sort of can where your carb drain is and strap it up for safety. There you go. Loaded CRF 50 in the back of a Lancer. So this thing's been sitting for like a week in minus 40. And today it warmed up a little bit. And he's gonna give it a shot. Plug the block heater in, we don't even know if it works. Cold start. Come on, girl.
Out here in the brutal Canadian winter. Fuck that. Got that 94 petrol going in. Yeah, it's like 30 below right now. So, you know, some days you just gotta end it. I was waiting for it. Classic Honda. Yeah, get it! There we go. Start.